this is day 3 of me coding every day. Um, Once again, it's gonna be kind of a shorter kind of video, just because I just got off work and I don't have a lot of time. And really, so the biggest thing I'm going to be trying to do today is I'm basically just gonna take this beginner parser function I have, and it gets the buffer and it takes the method of the HTTP request, and then I'm just gonna do based off of this buffer if um if the buffer is a get buffer, then I want to build the HTTP request to just being an OK code, status code 200, just OK, just like this. But if it's anything but a get um method, then I want to make it um give back the status code for bad request, and that's basically the plan for today. Um, I did get Chrome to work, so just right here, I'm just gonna go to HTTP status codes, and then just look right here. Um, should be in the 400s. Oh, okay, so it's just 400 straight up, just like that. So basically, if it's um not a get, I will do a just 400 status code bad request, which I guess looks like this. Um, let's see. Okay. I might need to do a body and content type. But for now, I'm just gonna really just do this right here. Just this general header, 400 bad request. And then so to get started doing that, I'm just gonna go back to this. So from here, what I plan to do, I'm gonna make this into a integer, return an integer. And basically, since this is technically um, a C style uh, string, I'm just gonna do return string pair, and then I'll do buffer and get, I believe, wrong quotes. So should return one or zero, or not one or zero, but if they're equal, it should be zero. And then in theory, so this should return zero, and then what I'll do, I'm gonna do, well, I should save this. I'm gonna call this just int valid, and then I'm gonna do if valid equals zero. So if it equals zero, should be that, and then if not, I'll just do HTTP 1.1 400, and then bad request, bad request, backslash r, backslash n. I believe this should work. Maybe. This this might work. This is the same as me last time. I'm gonna try ignoring that for now. Let's just see if it makes. I have all warnings enabled, so yeah, yeah. So from const character pointer to character pointer. So let's see. Think. Yeah, yeah, yep. What does this say? Okay, okay. What if I do instead of this way? Oops. Instead of this way, I'll do this. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. I'm just gonna call it char response equal or not char response equals. Um, I'll just give it a byte size of 16, and then I'll just do response equals this maybe. Oh, I can spell. Expression must be a modifier. I need to call reply anyway. Well, I don't need to, but I had it set to reply. Um, expression must be a modifiable L value. I believe that's because since it is technically static, um, I don't know why I'm blanking on how to do strings. I'll just do this. Must be modifiable. I think it's too small. I'll just do 32. That's still probably too small. 64. Is that 32? No. It's, must be a modifier. Um, so I'm just gonna do this. Oops. Let's see. Be assignable. You cannot change the value of text since it's an array, not a pointer. Either declare it as a char pointer. In this case, it's better to declare it as a char, or use string copy. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. I see. I see. I see. I see the problem. So basically, what's going on? So I need to just make this a pointer, and then okay, then maybe if I just okay. So basically, how I'm imagining that I think I understand this is that this is creating an array, yeah, and then an array is technically immutable, and these are also arrays. But an array is also kind of like a pointer, but it's a different type of pointer. And then trying to set this array to this array, but instead I could do, I believe it's gonna make a pointer. It's gonna make a pointer. So here, I think I'll just do this. So I'll make a pointer. Okay, I believe this should work because I'm making a pointer to whichever address or to whichever array, depending on the condition. So basically, if this is 0, then this pointer should point to this array, but if it's not 0, then the pointer should point to this string array. That's what I believe is happening. Let's try to make it so it's working so far. So it's listening out. So let's see. Open it in the browser. So right now, there's nothing going on. I believe it's a network that you can see. I'm trying to remember where you see the um, I'm sure there's a way to see. Right click, select network, reload the page. Ah, okay, I see. Okay, so let me try this one more time. This, and then let me do refresh. So I got status code 200. Get. Perfect. I believe I believe how to test HTTP requests. Um, I believe there's a thing called Postman. I believe you could use Postman to do. Yeah, you can test HTTP. You can use like the get methods and everything, and then it should give you um. What if I try a host? Let's go. I'm not sure if this works, just because this is a local address. Um, yeah, I'm really not sure. I really don't think this will work. Okay, that's what I thought. So it knows it's the local. I don't really want to get that. Um, um, I think you could do Postman, which I'll try to get. I guess I'll try to get that. I got a 200 OK. So this is the last Sunday. Huh. Well, this was a little fun to look at. But I basically got where I was trying to go with in this. Um, Pretty simple for now. I just kind of have it going through this buffer and checking to see, since it's handling a C string, I'm comparing it to get, and if it's equal, it should be 0. And then if it is 0, I have the return function being stored into valid, and then if it's 0, so if it's equal, then it should return this 200 message, and if it's not, it's this 400 bad request method. Um, that's really gonna be it today. Kind of just really getting that starting going. Um, I do plan to expand on these, um, get them a little bit more in depth. Also work on some security with this as well. But that's probably what I'm gonna finish off today. And should be about it. I'll probably look into one of those HTTP um, testing programs, like I believe, uh, what's it called? Um, I believe that Postman, or there's another one I think called like Nocturnal or something that you can also use to test. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, maybe it's like Insomnia actually, but I'll look into those. But yeah, that'll be it for today.